This is a Dalarna University production.
My specific role, if you look back historically over my career, I'm someone I'm a kind of a rolling stone in academic work. I do work in computer science. That's my job as a professor in computer science. But I also do work which could be classified really in several other subjects. And one of the things that I could say that I'm a real expert in is doing this kind of interdisciplinary work. So if you imagine we're trying to build a wall out of bricks and cement, where every subject is one of the bricks, then what I stand for, what I give, is the cement. I'm the guy that's going to mix the cement and make it the right consistency so that we can build something out of all the different components and make it hold together in a good way. So I'm like the multidisciplinary architect and builder here out of the different blocks that we have available, and that's what I love doing. People sometimes worry, why are you never in your own department, Mark? You're always coming next door and talking to us and finding out what we're doing. So don't you have any work to do back there? But that is my work, to be here and there and to talk to people and to develop ideas across the boundaries of subject disciplines.
Primarily, I will supervise and coordinate master theses. This is due to my engagement in various research projects connected to the local companies, and with them I have a long-standing cooperation, meaning that I believe to be fairly successful in presenting research proposals and thesis topics for the students via these organizations. And of course, in the role as in charge of the research activity in microdata analysis, I'm also very keen on having students progressing to PhD studies and so on. And therefore I also will be involved in making sure that we have some master theses being suitable for pursuing PhD studies later on.
Today we have 3 joint research projects. But I'm also, as a professor of economics, involved in creating courses for the business intelligence program, and mainly then courses in economics of leadership and dealing with the last part here, when we go from analysis to actually giving advice to the leadership in these firms. And these courses are based largely on results from Nobel Prize winners in economics.
Yeah, what I shall do here is, in this programming is involved in teaching and supervising in this programming. So I will teaching the subject, study the computing with R, and also data analysis, particularly is business data analysis, and also modeling with business data. And in practical issues, I will do business forecasting. So this is very important. Why? Because when real data available, we will try from the data analysis, try to establish a model. Those models are useful in practical issues. We will using the such model to do forecasting. And because it's important, if you try to do business, no forecasting, no success in your business outcome.
I'm a teacher here at Dalarna University. I do quite a lot of research in genetics and statistical genetics. I'm an associate professor and will be teaching on the business intelligence program.
Okay. What specifically will you be teaching on the program?
Well, my specialty is statistical modeling. So I will be giving one course in statistical modeling, and I will be also involved in other courses where statistical modeling is used.
I can describe myself to contributing on the program in 2 different aspects. One is the research side and the education side. I mean, the education, I'll be teaching two courses on the program. One is the business intelligence course itself, and the second is the multi-agent systems course. I mean, both these courses are truly relevant to my research interests, and which means that most of the time during these courses, the student will be provided with real data from the companies locally, basically part of my research projects. And the students would also be provided an opportunity to go on and have some, experience and live experience in the form of industrial tours and stuff like that. And as I mentioned, it's also a good chance for the students to pursue the thesis works after the completion of the study within the business, local business sector. So that's what I would say is really going to be striking, and that's where I'm going to contribute largely to the program.
I mean, my small piece in this huge puzzle will be to give to a student or to put in this program knowledge on how computer science methods and then can support data analysis, and also how this can solve some problems in terms of, for example, in logistics, in transportation, in different problems where companies need to optimize their process.
I am teaching three main courses: the computer image processing, and computer vision, and neural networks.
My role as geographer is to teaching in parts in which we are doing digital maps, making analysis in digital maps, that is called GIS, and also being part of the moments in which they are learned how to make spatial analysis.
I will be a lecturer in this program, and currently I am giving one course in statistics called Generalized Linear Models, which will be a part of this program, so I'll be teaching that course. And currently I'm also involved partially with another course which is running as an experiment for the BI, which is called Data Quality and Data Collection and Data Quality. I expect I will have some more role in that course in future, and I also expect to supervise some students in their master thesis.